What's up, folks? So today I'm going to show you how to adjust the sensitivity levels of zooming in and out on Premiere Pro timeline. And before I proceed, I actually tried a couple of things like adjusting mouse settings in the native sensitivity, scrolling here in Windows, line to scroll at a time, and it seems to work with every other apps or softwares, but it doesn't work on Premiere Pro. I dug a bit around the community and I haven't found a solid solution, so I made one myself and I put it open source in GitHub so you can inspect the code yourself and put an MIT license for it. Perhaps you could modify it for yourself or distribute it, whatever. It's here. The code is here. It's completely safe. And I also use AUTOHOTKEY, which is another open source project on GitHub as well. So this link, I'll put it in the description below. And here's what's inside it. The exe is the compiled version of AHK using AUTOHOTKEY. So just click exe here, then download it, and then just run it. That's the reason why I made it open source, because it's giving this false positive thing. I can assure it's completely safe. Run anyway. That's the only thing you have to do, that because when you open it again, it opens like that. So yeah, there are a couple of settings here. Feel free to explore, but my favorite is clicking timeline and around level 1 and 2 sensitivity levels. I think that's good. Pixel perfect is better than standard. The standard scroll behavior is what the native Windows sensitivity adjustment uses, but Premiere Pro uses different way to handle mouse scrolling events, so it's pixel by pixel. So pixel perfect is better calculated for timeline of Premiere Pro. So I will first suspend the script and I'll show you how sensitivity levels of Premiere Pro is by default. So let's say I'm editing here 40 minutes long video and I was editing around this 18 minutes point here and I want to zoom out. It takes a lot of scrolling and you do it for hours. Your index finger would hurt. So uncomfortable. And now let's use the script. Suspend script. Timeline level 2. Makes life easier. It amplifies the scroll, the initial speed, and the acceleration speed if you scroll a lot. That's why I prefer level 1. I think level 2 is too much. Timeline level 2. Yep, this works for me. Not sure about you guys. Feel free to adjust the sliders yourself as well. You can adjust it, have preset, use it, whatever. Just test it out. And also before I go, there's this little checkbox here, apply to normal scroll. So what I've shown you right now is just the alt scrolling, which is the zooming in. But if you wanna scroll this sideways like that, which is the normal scroll, not the alt scroll, you just have to check this. So these settings of sensitivity would apply to normal scroll as well. Click that. Yep, here it is. It's more sensitive now. Just download the exe file on the link, and if you want to modify and improve the script to share it to the community or whatever, just visit the GitHub repo, clone it yourself, and do your stuff. Thanks for watching. The script only works on Premiere Pro. Other apps won't be affected. You could suspend it and pause and play easily in the system tray. So I forgot to add those important details. I thought you might need it. So yeah, I think that's it. This is really it.